little bit of fire right here, so we can get our messages back out. This is Victor Papa 2, I can tell.
We ended up having to do this during, I think it was right after Hurricane David had struck Dominica, that we were able to do some patching like this, third-party traffic, so that people were able to inquire about family, to ensure that everything was okay, because at that time...
Hey, good morning from Vinci!
Yes, Susan! Victor Papa 2 account for November.
So let's see what it looks like on the radar there, man. That's what that thing looks like right there. Look at that huge thing.
73 to you and to the entire team. We do appreciate all that you're doing. We'll make contact with my team that's going down via boat down to Union Island. So they're off Canawan going down as we speak with supplies for people on the ground. So we keep in faith and we have to keep them motivated and thankful as they go along. Peace. Yeah.
There's like 90% devastation down there in the Grenadines. And there's the water right there. I think it's some fun. What? Watch it here, y'all. Alright. Yeah. So we're gonna start on 10 meters and go from there, guys. There we go. We're getting the old FT891. Alright, so we tailgating. We're gonna be at 3555. Hey family, friends, Ira Harris here. Victor Papa 2, can I tell? Sometimes you late 8 in tell. Hey, welcome to the channel, man. Happy morning to you. God bless you wherever you're at. Morning, evening, noon, night, wherever you may be. Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and don't forget to subscribe. Look at that beautiful beach out there. Well, this happened to be on St. Vincent and the Grenadines. A little bit of sargassum out here, but hey, it's gonna clear up pretty soon. Say, today we're gonna work on the other video from those guys down there in sweet, beautiful TNT. There, you got Leon is going up on the tower to finish that up.
Yeah, that tower is bare now. 2 meters to go there. As I said before, the 4 element and also the Explorer 14. And I think we should be completed.
And Ellis there and working on that 2 meters. So let's go to the video and take a look and see what's going on down there at Caribbean Ham. So welcome to the channel again, and I appreciate you. All right.
Hi guys, Leon here, 9:04 p.m. Alrighty, finally back up on Chris Tower. We're on the second tower. The first tower where we put back up the hex beam and the 6 element LFA for 6 meters. So that organized. Yeah. And I'll put up the 2 meter. 6 element for 2 meters, 4 elements for 6 meters up on this pole here. First just doing the final touches to the 4 element for 6, which was home built by me, actually designed with software and built by me. And also the 6 element for 2 meters, you can see right now, that was also built by me. And on the roof here, the Explorer 14, almost finished, restored. That will probably go up maybe next weekend. So, getting ready to hopefully do 2 antenna installation here on the second tower here today. Alrighty, so standing up on the top of the tower, belt hold on to the pike mast, and 2-meter beam installed. Alright, 6-meter beam to go up now. Chris just finishing up here. Yep, this is not something I recommend to do, standing up on the top of the tower. Only trained professional like me could do this. Alright, lay on your 904 BM. Alright, 4 element for 6 meters. Install a mounted 6 element for 2 meters. How I line up antennas. Yeah, somebody on the ground could do it. But just close one eye and line up the boom. If you see, the boom line up nicely there. See the little space. A little art into lining it up even though you're that close. Right. Alright, just to hook up coax. Weather changing quickly.
Hey family, friends, man, look, I appreciate you guys watching to the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know that you enjoy the content that's being out here for you, and give us some feedback there. All right, appreciate it, man. And make sure you go onto the playlist. If there's a lot on the playlist, hit the playlist, you will see a whole long list. There's everything out there going on, so make sure you check it out there and what's going on down there. All right, so make sure you hit the playlist there and go through the videos and leave us a little message there. I'm giving you a little panorama view so you can see that I'm on the beach right here. Okay, so matter of fact, this is one of our parks, BC something, Brighton South Pond Park. Area there, restaurant down there. You can go down there and get you some eats and stuff. You can set up right here in the park, all back there, and you know, stuff like that. So there you go. So anyway, so thank you very much for hanging with us to the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Greatly appreciate you. God bless you and all the best, and have a great day. This is, well, Ira Harris. There you go. Have a great day. Peace. 7-3.